Are there still survivors in the stock market? Because Chinese stocks and even some of the US stocks are down quite a bit, 52 weeks low, day after day. And I'm actually surprised that Alibaba is up 71% because it's been on a downtrend. It hit a low of $79 this morning. Wow, what an ugly day. It's not just Alibaba. We have Baidu. You can see Baidu was up 0.88%, but look at this chart. It was just trading at 135. This was just 2 weeks ago. It had a low of 104.57. I don't know what's going on with these Chinese stocks. They are just selling off day after day. Today might be the only green day. We'll see, because look at last week. It was only one green day and it's just been selling off. So you can see that we haven't hit this low since, this is Baidu, since last year. 1 year. No one has made money in Baidu. And even JD is ugly. You can see I have all these alerts here. Hit a low of 24.01. All of these stocks are oversold. Just because it's oversold doesn't mean that it can't go down even more. That's a problem with myself, and I know a lot of people thinking that, oh, it's oversold, it's going to bounce. Trust me, just because the stock is cheap doesn't mean it can't get any cheaper, because it definitely can. A lot of people said that Alibaba was going to go to $200. It can barely stay above 100. No one has made money on Alibaba unless you bought IPO and sold it during the pandemic, which was 2021, when it hit a high of $319. But if you are a long-term investor, why would you sell at that time? And now we are down. I should listen to my gut and said no more Chinese stocks. But I thought that we would see a bounce. A lot of people said that these Chinese stocks are undervalued. They might be undervalued, but it's not about fundamentals. It never was, and I don't think it ever will be. It's all about political risk with these Chinese stocks. Just take a look. Has it gone anywhere in the past 3 years? In the past 15 years? This is a 15-year, 1-week chart. No. Wow. Nowhere. And you will still hear people say that, just hold, just hold. How long is someone supposed to hold on to these stocks? Just imagine we have put all our money into US tech stocks. It doesn't matter. Any of the Magnificent Seven, Nvidia, Google, Amazon, Tesla, we would actually be up. Even though they had a rocky month, they are still up. But look at Alibaba. It's down. It's down a lot. Just be careful, because just because today's green doesn't mean that it's going to bounce from here. Today might be the only green day. And I should have bought puts or hedged, but instead, guess what I did? I kept buying calls week after week. And these calls, you can see a lot of people buying calls every single day. And guess what? Every single Friday, it becomes worthless. I'm not joking. It's crazy how our mind works. We're just so married to these stocks that we can't get out of it. We always think that it's going to bounce. It's going to bounce. This is the bottom, right? Is this a support? This is the bottom. But no, I've gone through this cycle every single day, and I've lost a lot of money in the stock market. I pretty much ruined my life. Ever since I got in, and ever since I started trading, it went downhill from there, especially 2021 when I lost over $500,000 on AMC negative calls. That was one bad trade, and ever since then, I just been on a downtrend. I just can't get up. I can't get back up. I don't know. Let me know what you guys are doing with these Chinese stocks. Are you still holding? Are you buying calls? Are you buying puts? And thanks for watching.